embryonic development. By the 7th day of fertilization, implantation is completed. Okay, implantation means blastocyst has reached and attached with the endometrium of the uterus. And after that, what happens? Let's see. Immediately after implantation, the inner cell mass gets differentiated into 3 germ layers. What are the 3 germ layers? Endoderm, mesoderm and ectoderm. Okay. Within 1 month of pregnancy, by the time pregnancy को 1 month complete हुआ, what is the major development? Heart of the embryo is developed. Okay, so after 1 month of the pregnancy, we can hear the heartbeat of the embryo with the help of stethoscope. Okay, after 2 months of pregnancy, what are the major formations? The fetus limbs and digits are developed. Limbs, legs, hands and digits, fingers, toes, etc. they are developed by the 2 months of the pregnancy. At the end of the first trimester, means the 3 months or the 12 weeks, by the end, most of the major organ systems are formed. Okay, by 5th month, by the completion of 5th month, what is observed? Movement of the fetus. Movement. Fetus start moving its limbs. Okay, it can be observed. And other thing is development of hairs. Okay, on the head are developed. By the end of 2nd trimester, means 6 months or 24 weeks, the body of the fetus is covered by fine body hairs. You know, it is the main feature of mammals. Body is covered by fine hairs. Okay. Eyelashes are developed, eyelids are developed and they are separated. Means now eyes can open. Eyelids are separated. By the end of 9 months, the fetus is fully developed and ready to deliver. Okay. And the delivery of the baby is known as parturition. Okay, so from implantation, embryonic development occurs, and at the end, parturition, that is the process of delivery of baby occurs. Now, the average duration of pregnancy taken by an organism for the development is known as gestation period, right? Then we were talking about parturition. What is parturition? It is the process of delivery of baby. But how will you define it properly? Vigorous contractions of the uterus at the end of the pregnancy causes delivery of the fetus. Okay. The process of the delivery of fetus is known as childbirth or the parturition. Vigorous contractions. Okay, not slow contractions, very vigorous contractions are required to push the baby out of the body. How it is done? Parturition is started or induced by a complex neuroendocrine mechanisms which involves many hormones, in which the main is oxytocin and some cortisols and estrogens. The main hormone is oxytocin. We will talk about it. Now, if we have to describe the process of parturition stepwise, so what is the first step? First step is the signal. The signal of parturition originates from the fully developed fetus and the placenta. Okay, the developed fetus gives the signal This is the very first step. These signals induces mild uterine contraction. Okay, by these signals, uterus start contracted, and in uterus, which part contraction will occur in? Muscles. Muscular part is the myometrium. Okay, you have to remember this. So the second point is fetal ejection reflex. Fetus has given some signal, and in response, uterus started contracting mildly. These contractions result in release of oxytocin from the pituitary, maternal pituitary. मदर की पिट्यूटरी में सिग्नल पहुंचा and it started releasing oxytocin. Oxytocin acts on the uterine muscle, causes stronger uterine contractions, which in turn stimulates further the secretion of oxytocin. Oxytocin जैसे uterus में आया, it started stronger contraction. More contraction will give signal again to release of more oxytocin. So this kind of cycle keeps on going, and this is called stimulatory reflex. Okay. And due to this stimulatory reflex, the stronger and stronger contractions start occurring, and this leads or push the baby to get out through the birth canal. Means the process of parturition occurs. Okay. And after parturition, as the baby is out, after it, placenta is also released out, expelled out of the uterus. Okay, so what are the steps? First is the signal given by the fetus, then the fetal ejection reflex, then release of oxytocin by pituitary, then stimulatory reflex, and parturition. Okay, and after this parturition, childbirth, what is the next change which is occurring? It is the process lactation. The mammary glands of the pregnant lady is already developed. Okay, they start producing milk. This process is known as lactation. The mammary glands of the female undergo differentiation during pregnancy and start producing milk towards the end of pregnancy. This is called lactation. The milk which is secreted in the starting days, in the initial days, is yellowish in color, and it is called colostrum. It is very important. Doctors always recommend that a baby should be given milk's mother. It should be breastfed. Okay, and this is very important question, so you should know. Very easy and very important. What is colostrum and what is its importance? The yellowish milk produced during the initial days of lactation is called colostrum. Okay. Colostrum contains nutrients and several antibodies which are absolutely essential for development of resistance in the newborn baby. So it is important to develop a healthy baby. The colostrum is very important for babies, for the infants. Okay.